How you doing today, folks? So today I got another unboxing slash first impression slash half-assed discussion about the moral efficacies of buying from the secondary market, or the black market as people keep calling it. So as usual, our opening knife will be the Paragon Knives Warlock. I actually don't know what a lot of these things are. I buy way too much stuff online, so we're going to experience this together. Okay. This is a big one. Still don't know what it is. As I almost stabbed myself with the Warlock. That was very close. Sorry for the off-camera open. I'll be back with you in just one moment. Oh, I remember what this is now. Okay, so I won a giveaway on Knife Swap, or Yeet Swap, as my buddy Maple Syrup Jedi calls it. And this gigantic thing is what I want. Oh my god, this is insane. This is going on the wall. My wife's gonna kill me, but this is going on the wall. Just want you to see how gigantic this piece is. Oh my god. I'll probably do a bit face on the camera at the end of this video, just so you guys can see this thing. But oh my god, you know I have big hands, so like, just think about that. This is the pommel. All I'm holding is the pommel right now. Oh, that's incredible. Oh, it takes some strength to close too. That is one gigantic backlock. Man, that might replace the old heater for something ridiculous size comparison. All right, that was fun. I wasn't expecting that one. Okay, next one. I was thinking, did I order a fixed blade and forget about it? Like, what is going on? Makes a little more sense now. I was talking to my wife as I got that package, and I was like, man, I don't remember ordering anything this big. And all I felt was that big old handle. I was like, did I order a firearm? Like, what is going on? Ooh, this thing is another real good tape job. All right. We are in there. Like swimwear. Oh, okay. All right, not from secondary market, but give you a quick little sneak peek. This is the Bryant Eye CRKT collaboration. The Tighe Tac 2. This is a button lock. Press that button down, drop straight in. Flipper. I can get my camera to focus. Thumb stud. Cool little knife. 40 bucks. That is brand new, to be clear. Sorry about that, guys. When I order this stuff, I genuinely don't know what's coming. This is about as authentic of a video as you can possibly get. So the other two, I'm about 90% sure, are in fact from Knife Swap, or another secondary Reddit. All right, this is the Copper Tradition from Artisan Cutlery. It's a Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive. Oh, my big hands love this. This is a 9.5 ounce knife. Oh yeah. Oh, yep, I like that. This is a surprisingly bronzy color for the copper, though. Normally doesn't come quite like that. Then again, I either buy stuff that's not been sealed up at all, or it's in like a airtight package, so that could have something to do with it. All right, now we're back on track. Secondhand goods. All right, this is the very hideous Gerber Auto with the signature on it. So this is a kind of a fun one. So this is going to be beaten to absolute hell. I am going to do a future video of just really testing the durability of this piece, and it's my intention to beat this thing up to where these very gaudy billboarded signatures are no longer there. But first impressions, this is a locking knife. Press this, does not open up. Take that off, press the button, flies out. Decent sized knife, as you all know. I have very big hands, so pretty decent. Nice action there. Let's compare that in size to the Paragon Warlock. Warlock definitely bigger. Warlock, once again, is a very big knife. Great knife, but very big knife. Take that out. Something I'm sure you are all familiar with, the PM2. PM2 is a little bit bigger, not by much. Actually, let's change the ratio real quick. All right. So the Gerber is bigger than the PM2. It's not a crazy difference, probably about ½ an inch if I had to guess, which is substantial for most folks, to be clear. So let's just get that out of the way right here. And that's great action. My love-hate relationship knife. Love it because it's a great knife. Hate it because I've gotten 7 cuts so far. Just wielding this absolute beast of a workhorse. But I cannot keep it out of my pocket. I love the Cold Steel 8010. So, good knife. Review will be coming for that shortly. Yes, I know I'm going to close this with 2 hands. I'm afraid now. All right, one more. If I can go ahead and locate my Paragon Warlock. There we go. Probably the only real consistent downside I feel about the whole secondary market is everyone just loves using copious amounts of tape. And then you have to break things. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, there is more tape. Yay! We can't brute force our way in here. Just keeps on going. All right, we need a Warlock. Do your thing, beauty queen. Wow, this is difficult. Also, I don't know how old this envelope is. It looks like an old envelope they just wrapped around it. But this thing stinks. Oh man. See, on other channels you won't get to see all this stuff. It'll just be cut out. But I don't mind looking like an idiot. And it continues. Oh my god. Oh, maybe. And wrapped in some good old paper towels after the fact. Oh, okay. So we have the Auto large TIE Fighter. Also, very looking forward to that. Ooh, that's a good action. Kind of a little bit of a Protect snap there if you happen to like that. So this is the Midtech from Bryant Eye. I paid $150 for this. As you know, or as you might not know, this retails for about $350, so hell of a deal. Little iron cross pivot. Not entirely sure how I feel about that, but that is the artist's signature. Little ball bearing pocket clip. This is 154 cm, made in the USA, which I'm personally a big fan of. 154 cm actually used to be a steel I kind of couldn't stand because it's just a lot of the more budget knives have it on it. But the more I started researching other steels, you know, it gets very, very sharp, it holds a decent edge, and it's easy to sharpen. Man, when I started dealing with M390s and LMAXs and 204Ps and 3Ps and 3Vs and all the crazy alphabet steels, it just started getting really, really difficult to sharpen. You know, I would chip something and I would be genuinely afraid because I'm like, man, this is going to be like 20 minutes of just straight arm work. Man, this is the blacked out aluminum, obviously light stone wash. It's like a satin with the stone wash over it, or maybe a stone wash with then satin polished. Either way, it's a very interesting blade finish. This thing is sharp. Just felt it. Did it again. Okay then. All right. Super happy with this. Great action. Should be noted though, this does not come with a safety mechanism. Never had a auto open up my pocket before, but you know, it could happen. So be careful. So in closing, oh man, now let's do a real size comparison. Let's compare the Warlock, or excuse me, the Heater Manowar with the Yeet swap. Oh my god. Oh, I love that. That is great. That is great. The Warlock, my friends, has been beaten. Alright, I've been Kyle Lanfear. I love talking to you guys. Love the majority of you as always. This is such an amazing and great community. Thank you so much, Maple Syrup Jedi, for this amazing piece that I have no idea what I'm ever going to do with. Mounted on the wall for sure, but I'm almost tempted to carry this just one day. Just one day, just somebody asked to borrow my knife to open up a package or a box or something, and I just pull this out. I would just love to see their face. Made of stainless steel from Pakistan, so you know it's quality. Not really. Timber Rattler. Oh, and we're doing it live. Just hit myself in the face with the camera. Anyways, before anything else goes wrong, I just wanted to say thank you so much for your time. I do genuinely appreciate it. This has been a overview and brief discussion about the efficacies of the secondary market. Long story short, because I didn't talk too much about it, you can get some great deals, meet some good people, but as always, be careful, protect yourself, make damn sure every single thing you buy has a timestamp. PayPal goods and services is preferred. You know, do what you can. See, doing it live. We got the tripod leg in the video. Damn. All right. Take care and have a great day. Bye now. Donut. Donut. Oh, I love it. Take care.